Hello, and welcome to your Genesis Now. On today's updated feature, we have added an events dashboard card to keep users up to date with upcoming Genesis training and events. Let's take a look. From inside your Genesis Now dashboard, let's add our dashboard card by going to the open space, clicking on the plus, and looking for the Genesis events. Once we've located Genesis events, we click on that dashboard card, and it now adds the Genesis Events dashboard card to our dashboard. That way, when you or your agents log in, if there's any upcoming trainings, weekly Q&A, monthly new feature webinars, or any other training and events that Genesis offers to you, our clients, they will show up in this box that reads Genesis Events. I hope you find this information helpful. We look forward to seeing you at the upcoming Genesis events. And if you should have any questions or problems, always remember at the bottom right, the helpful chat support icon, or all the way to the left, bottom of your toolbar, the help option. Thank you.